Planning a weekend trip on a budget often feels like a juggling act between cheap flights, affordable stays, and worthwhile activities. But AI can streamline the entire process. Start by asking a chatbot like ChatGPT or Bard to suggest underrated destinations within a 3-hour drive or flight from your city, factoring in your budget range. Next, ask it to compare flight or train prices across states using its knowledge of typical fare trends, or pair it with a price tracker tool. For lodging, prompt the AI to recommend budget hotels, hostels, or vacation rentals with good reviews, and request a sample itinerary that groups nearby attractions to minimize transit costs. You can even ask for free or low-cost local events, hiking trails, or museum free entry days. The key is being specific. Include your departure city, max budget, and interests. In minutes, you get a structured plan that would have taken hours of manual research. The takeaway: AI doesn't just save time, it helps you discover options you might have overlooked, making budget travel more accessible.